La 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 la.
To encourage your children to get into good oral hygiene habits, the first thing is to make sure you start early. That way you can really start to establish these habits so it becomes a normal part of their routine. And also, you must lead by example. So when you brush your teeth, try and get the children in to brush with you. It's very important to supervise the brushing up until about 7 years of age, but it's something that as a family, you should start to try and do all together. When brushing your children's teeth, it's very important that you use the right amount of toothpaste for your child, and that's age specific. Firstly, make sure you're using a fluoride toothpaste, and then for children aged 0 to 3, I recommend a very tiny smear of the paste. From 3 to 6, you can use a small pea-sized amount, and then from 6 onwards, you can use a regular sized amount. The first dental visit. At what age should you bring your children to the dentist? Well, I always recommend bringing the children as early as possible. It's not always about trying to look inside their mouth. It's about just getting the kids used to the sights, sounds, smells of a dental practice. But also, it allows us to give mums advice on the type of things you can start to do from an early age. So I would always recommend bring the children with you at every visit. When it comes to flossing for your children, I would recommend trying to establish that habit from an early age. Chances are they'll see you flossing and they'll be intrigued by what you're doing. So there are specific flosses for children, brightly coloured, a bit softer and the right size for them. And as soon as you see 2 teeth touch, that's when I'd recommend trying to get that floss in there. Use it the same as you use for yourself, very gently, stroking both sides of the teeth, and that's about it. Just get them used to having that in their mouth.